welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. And Dwayne is addressing or speaking about Tina and Rose. And, you know, he has this to say because of what was said or was posted allegedly by Rose on her page. And Tina was saying that basically that she had, given her a positive she made a positive post of her. And so Rose is saying that basically it's not about but go ahead and go catch up radio, and remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post you know about it. For all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, happy birthday, and I wish you a prosperous year this year, and all that your heart desires. And for all my other lovelies out there, my subscribers, my supporters, my friends, my family, I wish you guys a wonderful day. Just remember that life has a way of showing us just exactly what we need. And in the time that we need, whatever it is that we need, life will provide it for us. So remember, don't be dismayed when you're going through any sort of problems, because what? You are going to go through it, and you are going to reward the benefits thereafter. So for someone out there today that may be struggling, someone that may be having a hard time, someone that may want to give up, don't give up. Just keep fighting, keep going, keep pushing, because there's another day out there for you to see the benefits of what you've been struggling for. Have yourselves a wonderful day.
Anybody can do charity, so. And then in that same breath, I did hear her mention Tina Chin name. So Rose, in my understanding of what you were saying, in fact, you was defending Tina Chin, right? So based on what Tina Chin has said, that status you put out, I can't look for myself, is the status you put out. Was it necessary? I think not. I feel like, say, you did that because you want to please the people in your camp. And girl, it was not necessary. You could have avoided it and still please the people in your camp and just don't talk about this whole situation again. Because to me, that is you coming out and starting another something that could have easily been avoided. And that may I say. Let's continue, teaching. Let's continue. It's a
positive, right? A positive can be taken in a positive can be good. It can be fair, but it's not bad. It's a positive. What you did was to defend me. And by defending me, that's something positive and that's something good, right? So even though you did not come out of your face, Rose, and say something specifically good, like, oh, Tina Chin shape nicey, or Tina Chin is a beautiful even though you didn't specifically say something directly good about me, the fact that you went on your status and defended me doing charity, that in itself is something very positive. It was in a positive light, right? And if you didn't have any great intentions, you wouldn't have said what you said about me and charity. Or you wouldn't have come out in my defense, right? So that's what I meant when I said something good. It wasn't specific like, oh.
People, she's giving you a backstory before she going out here, or she's soon going out, wait. It soon start, wait, all right.
Tina Chin pretty, no. Tina Chin shape good. No. But by you coming out and defending me, Rose, that was a positive. No, stop trying to retract it because people are coming at you. Stop trying to retract it because you feel like you're going to be kicked out of the Planka crew and all of your nonsense. You are an insecure woman. You're very insecure. You lack self-esteem. You lack standards. You lack class, among other things. And you know what's sickening about this, Rose? Rose, you dear on your status since night, which is why I'm going to come out for you tonight. You put by your status about, like, yeah, try, reinforce, you know, me saying this and that about you, that's something good. I wasn't talking good about you. That's what the...
Pause. To add on to what Tina Chin said, I'm gonna look on the states myself, and the states read as follows. Alert. Make a post last year stated that I don't care who wants to do charity. Let people get help if they can get help. You people, stop twisting my words. I wasn't defending anyone. How I talk good about you? Question. So obviously the who she talk good about? Tina Chin, right? She asked a question. I never spoke with that lady before. That lady cursed me before and I cursed her back and move on. Stop calling my name. I don't want any defenders. Period. To me, people, Rose is doing like a backhander. As some you see, because in the live stream she did it on YouTube, which came back and cost Majesty. I don't know if you guys, I don't know if any of you would have got wind of that live. In fact, I play it. And in that live stream, she really did mention Tina Chin name, and she said some things. And okay, so this status, what she made now, I kind of feel like she is doing it because she wants to please her people, right? And she's also doing it to say, listen, yeah, to me, she did it to please her people, and she want to distance herself from this whole conversation. But Rose don't realize, you see, once we put something out in the atmosphere, we can't take it back, because trust me, see, social media is like this. It's like me cuss out down the backside, and trust me, there's people out here who still have that recording in them armor, right? So by Rose coming out and saying the things she said, to me, she can't take it back because it's already out there. So why come out here and put out this post? I don't know. Was it necessary? I said no, because to me, this is adding fuel to an already lit fire that could have been doused out with water. But because she want to prove loyalty to her people, them, she did this. And here we have the result of this post that she put out. Tina Chin come out and clap back. So that's it. And it could have been avoided. It could have. It could. She could have heard and hear. She could have seen and not seen. And she could have just kept. She could have shut up and not said nothing at all. And when I say it in a disrespectful way, I'm just saying she could have not said anything. That way it would have just dead out. You understand? True story. It could have died out.
Say no, I wasn't talking good about you. I just said such and such and such.
Up?
So by me saying such and such and such, was that talking good about you? Like she tried pull back what she said.
I agree.
You understand me? Like she tried pull back what she said. Yeah, Rose, you are a despicable excuse for a fucking woman. Lord and I'm going to say that with everything in my body. You're a grown woman and you're married. There's no way you should be sitting there making an ass out of yourself. But the very fact that you can sit there and allow a batty man to disrespect you and you see no problems with it, the very fact that you allowed a batty man to disrespect you and your best friend, sit down there and rub him up in your face, shows me that you have no values or no standards about yourself, Rose. You have no standards about yourself, right? Me now look no friend from you. Okay, Rose, me now look no friend from you. Make me point that out. Me now look no friend from you or your so-called gang leader boss.
Dana.
You hear me, dirty girl? Me now look no friend from you. Because since I approached the conversation from a respectable manner, and you don't appreciate that, now me a dirty gal you up, just like how bucket mouth dirty gal you up. Maybe you will see my point of view by dirty galling you up.
But you know, pause, more as something. Based on how Majesty come out and angler, I feel like her coming out here to retract what she said, it kind of made no sense, because it's not like coming here, Majesty come on the live stream and say anything said about her, it stands. Which means that to me, by her coming out here and retracting what she said, it's like saying, it's like she's backing down because maybe she don't want to be ostracized or something. And to me, listen, let me tell you something. See them people, what is that? They would ostracize it, especially when they feel like so you're not really with them 100%. They would kick out your backside. Take a joke. And Rose don't want that. So to me, she come out to prove her loyalty to them. I saw me see. I don't know what to say, but that means say. True story.
That look like you don't understand civil conversations.
Margaret, what's up?
This is the only way you can comprehend what it is that I'm saying. Not for dirty galley up. Isn't that shitty when people have to approach a topic or a conversation in this manner? It's really shitty.
It is.
Nobody can converse or have a discussion decently without having to dirty gal or dip up underneath on the phone and understand where people are come from. So we have to dip up underneath if you understand where you come from.
Pause. Want something else. Teaching, based on my analysis, some of these, one of them, some of these people, you cannot have a conversation with them because they are a little bit too backward. I mean, I say, I say, some of these people with platforms, them is a little bit too backward to like just sit and have a heart-to-heart conversation with them, or even a generalized conversation where you are being respectful. You're just having a respect. You know, you have to go down to them level. I mean, I say Rose is. I say, call them some of these people, you cannot have a regular conversation with them because they don't know how to. All they know is nastiness. That's all they know is flipping nastiness. So, you know, do your thing. Let's hear it.
Approaching the topic from a respectable manner, you don't understand that. But you have to come out tonight now and try prove a point like you wasn't good to me or you wasn't saying good to me. What way you try though? A smile, you come smile me up after you take up yourself and attack, say nothing wrong with me at the charity. Remember you pick up yourself, you know, see me I do what me I do, and after bucket mouth have an issue with it. You pick up yourself and in defense of me, you said you don't see nothing wrong with what I'm doing. Right? If you say something so positive about me, isn't that something good?
It is. It is.
Right? You saying something positive about me, that's something good. It doesn't have to be specifically a good comment, a good compliment like, boy, Tina shape nicey. You see someone look like say you sleep on your head, you sit on by your head in a school, Rose. You sit on by your head in a school. When you go to school, you just take off your head and put it under your body and sit down on the bench for cushion. You use your head for cushion at school, don't it, Rose? And that you know. I come and put it out there like say me I look friend from you. Did I tell you I was looking friend from you? Me not look no friend from you, Rose, because I know say your nose deep, tongue deep, teeth deep, everything deep in a batty wall. So me could not look friend from you. What kind of friend you could have give me? What kind of friendship you could have give me, Rose? Like in a real life. What kind of friendship could you be giving me?
Mighty God.
What kind of friendship could I want from you, Rose? So pretty much, if you didn't want to say positive about me, right? Why did you write that status? Why you write that status to them? But now you try to retract what you say. Remember, no, me never know about that status there, no. Me never know. If you never take by YouTube, if you got cuss out bucket mouth, me wouldn't know say you write that status there about me. I wouldn't know. I wouldn't know you wrote that status about me if you didn't go to YouTube and cuss out bucket mouth about it. And you yourself said bucket mouth cuss you off because you wrote that status. So how so now you come and try smile me up, dirty gal Rose?
I told you.
Dirty gal Rose, oh you come and try smile me up now. Like I try pull back from where you say, oh, me never said nothing good about you. You're a grown woman, you need to stop the bullshit, Rose. Stop it.
And you know, people on a must call a speed a speed. Call a flip. Listen, me know what I say. Want to support the people them. But in a life, sometimes it's a good to just call a flip a speed. I'm telling you, I am on no one side. I'm just here for the look at them gossip and talk. Me know. And don't add on and don't take off. To me, Rose did say what she said on the live stream when she cussed my say, well, no, go back and listen to the live stream for yourself. I want to hear. she had called Tina Chiname in that damn live stream. So how is it possible now she's coming out here and I put out that post as if she never saw what she said? To me, it's like she was told to come out here and retract the things she said. I mean, I say, the people them tell her, I feel like she was pushed to come out here to retract the things that she said and distance herself. Either way, it added fuel to an already lit fire. Simple. And here is the freaking results.
Stop the bullshit and stop McDonough and Bucket Mouth and the whole of them turning a damn donkey. You're too stupid. You're too freaking stupid. You, Rose, you
Sharon,
were the one
up?
who called me name for your life 2 days ago.
Sharon, what's up?
Me not even didn't know about that.
I do. Long time thing that. No, it's in this.
And you pick up yourself and call me name for your YouTube couple of days ago because
True.
you and Bucket Mouth have it out. Because Bucket Mouth,
That's
I tell
true.
you, say, don't do this, don't talk good about me, don't talk. All this so stupid and fool. I want a big
true.
woman, look a big idiot, big woman come, want a big, ugly, old. I want to come from, man. I want an idiot, slow, retarded woman, big woman come from.
That is true. That is a fair statement.
Don't make no reference to me then. Do not make no reference to me. Because since you're up in your 60s, 70s and you're hungry for friendship, don't make no reference to me. Just act like, hey, you see when you see me over your side when me and the Rose, don't even fart on me. Because use another one of them where I carry belly for me too. Don't even fart on me. Me not near me mama white fall. Don't fart on me, donkey woman. From now on, your nickname is Donkey Woman. You coming like one of them old country donkey there with them load. Where just them can't barely go because them have so much load upon them. Don't fart upon me. Just act like...
You know, I realize everybody said that's like everybody saw. And people, this is not even a joke. I remember my name was Scattershot. I mind the gaps. Listen, they call me Humpty Dumpty, they call me Peanut Teeth, then call me Gerbs, they call me a lot of names. So it's only fair me name them actor.
See me.
Oh God.
You're brighter, out of order. You think me are your size? You big old man, me are your size. After me there, I try show the woman a little bit of respect. She depend on her page, I come and try smile me up with her big donkey mouth. Your mouth favor some big old donkey. Don't come bright yourself with me. You know, you eat? Look how Dana take you and I clean the floor with you. And people out here see the foolishness and I call it out. And you sit down there and lick off the milk off of the floor for go back underneath Dana front.
My God, imagine.
Be a media to man here. What?
You know, I'm wondering why is it the planks don't have nothing to say? What? Unafraid? Hello? Long as people don't try and disrespect me or write anything too offensive on my page, me now class them, me now go black on. We can have a respectful conversation over here. Don't feel like you have to ostracize yourself over here, so or you can talk if you choose to. Just be respectful and don't go to don't try this me because I'll fix you. I'm more classy and I'm more black here. You understand? But if you don't want comment, same speed. Cock on a big Anthony Allison. Simple.
Put it in one bucket and roll down in the Caribbean Sea and make it sink down a bottom. Big old germs, you know. Like me, I look friend for you. Me, I look no friend for you, Rose.
Oh,
so
God.
what if you said something positive about me? That was something positive. You think someone have no understanding of the English language?
Right.
That was something positive you said about me. So why are you retracting and pulling back your words based on what you said?
She's afraid.
Why are you retracting? What am I gonna beat you?
She don't.
Am I gonna kick you out of the group?
Listen, let me tell you what Guala
You
said.
lonely bitch.
Let me tell you what Guala said, and this is the truth. Rose does not want to be ostracized. Rose does not want to be called a reject. Rose don't realize now. Hello, Rose. Sometimes when people reject you, them set you up for a better path in life. And that's the truth. In life, we must stop. Make people feel as if they are more than you or I. Hello? Get out of here with that bullshit. And this goes not far upon your toe. Obo say, Ono is loyal. Hello? Ono don't lie. Not far on the change colors like flipping green lizard. If something really serious happen tomorrow, Ono gonna say nothing I got turn pan them or turn from them too. Because people, humanity, the world on a whole is full up of a lot of damn green lizard. So, either accept me as I am or leave me as the hell on go out to the damn business. Me not beg nothing from none of you, and none of you don't come feel like say by you being here, you're being forced. Only can go when you want to go. I want to control this, which means if you don't want to go, take off from the backside and go on. Either way, I'm not read the business. I still like a blog. I still like a chat. Simple. I want to hear here. That's it. That. And this is me telling you. Stop making people, even me, same for me. Don't make me feel like I'm out. To me, I am not better than nobody out here. We are all the same. We have the same 24 hour. It's up to you how you use your 24 hour. Do something that makes sense. Whatever you want to do with it, just do it and just make sure you don't regret it. I mean, I don't regret shit. I don't get, hello? Whether the people them like me not, I don't give a flipping shit. Me used to give a shit, but me not give a shit no more. The one of them, I want to come kiss me ass. And that means say, straight.
They're gonna kick you out of the group? Is that what you're afraid of? You're afraid to be ostracized?